Now, how many of you have seen this sign? Hands up, have you seen this sign? In every single IT department I've ever worked in or visited, there's been this on a cubicle. Good, fast, cheap. Pick any two. But this is defeatist thinking. If you do not think that faster, better, cheaper is possible, then you are going to create a can't-do mindset. And if you're a leader, you're actually going to create that can't-do mindset as a culture within your organization. And that's going to be bad for both your career and also potentially for your business. Because now, in today's hyper-competitive world, there are only two types of businesses. Those that are disrupting and those that are being disrupted. And if you don't believe that you can disrupt your business, then somebody else will come along and disrupt your business for you. And I cannot tell you how many people I have replaced who had this sign on their office wall.